Hi students, I welcome you all to Let's Crack CBSE 9th and 10th channel, and this is Rashmi Singh, your teacher. And here's a brief introduction about myself. I've done BTech in electrical engineering, then I worked in power plants. Later on I started teaching because I love to teach students. And if you want to get to know a bit more about me, you can just go and follow my profile. The link is there in the description box, guys. In this video today, we are going to talk about how to download the syllabus for the batch 2021 and 22. So this is going to be super quick session where I will take you to the process step by step. But before that, guys, there's a feature called Ask a Doubt on Unacademy where you can get all your doubts covered, all your doubts cleared. You just have to click the photo of your doubt, crop it, and send it on the Ask a Doubt feature. And here you go, you can get all the solutions. So, do's and don'ts are that the picture should be very clear, and you should not write and click a picture of the question because that is a little bit difficult to read. So avoid that, guys. And there's also a scholarship exam which is going to take place on 6th June at 11 a.m. and 12 p.m. So you have a lot of chances to win amazing scholarship worth rupees 1 crore rupees. So go and enroll for it. Now I will take you to the process. So first of all, what you have to do is to go on the Chrome, just write CBSE over there, and then you will get very first link, CBSE Board of Secondary Education. Now here you can see that you have four options available: new website, SARAS results, or academic website. So I would request you to go to the academic website and then go to the syllabus section, or you can go to the new website section. Then from there also you will have to like jump to the academic website only. So we'll go directly from here. Now here you can see various tabs available, right? So you have to go to the curriculum tab, and here you can see revised curriculum of 2021 and curriculum 21-22. So definitely if you're a student of 2022 batch, sad, but yes, your syllabus is like the complete syllabus. It is not the revised one. Nothing, no reduction, guys. So curriculum pe jao, 2021-22 pe jao. Then here you can see two tabs are there. One is for 9th and 10th class. Another one is for 11th and 12th class. So this is the curriculum for academic year 21-22. So just go there, click it on 9th and 10th class. Then we have few initial pages which I think you all should read at least once, wherein you will get a little bit of idea that what is the CBSE curriculum, what are the features, and what are the objectives. And guys, the languages, this is the most important part, that what are the things which is like compulsory, what are the subjects. So you can see that social science, mathematics, science is compulsory. Other than that, you can select two languages. It can be Hindi English, it can be English or Sanskrit or Hindi Sanskrit, but I would request कि एक English तो होना ही चाहिए because English has become a lingua franca nowadays. Then optional subjects में you can take any of these. Health and physical education is there, or you can take the subjects which are categorized under work experience, which can be IT, computer, or artificial intelligence. And plenty of subjects are available, okay? Or you can take fine arts, art education, okay? Then here's also a little bit in detail about the subjects. Okay, so this is all. Now let us move to the main portion, which is, guys, languages, main subjects and academic electives. Okay, तो languages के भी अंदर बहुत सारे languages हैं, as you can see. All the languages are available over here. So आप जिस भी language का दे रहे हो exam, make sure that you download it from here. Then main subjects are there, which is mathematics. Learning outcome is also there for mathematics. It is not there for science and social science. So एक बार learning outcomes भी देख लेते हैं. So here you can see that because I think mathematics is something which is in which India or Indian students are doing really well. I think that is the reason they have वैसे learning outcome पहले वाले में भी दे रखा है, initial pages में भी, ठीक है. देन वी हैव साइंस, देन वी हैव सोशल साइंस। अदर एकेडमिक इलेक्टिव्स जो हैं उनका भी आपको यहाँ पर सिलेबस जो है मिल जाता है। क्लास 11-12 का भी सिलेबस लाइकवाइज यहाँ पे मिल जाता है। नाउ फॉर सोशल साइंस सब्जेक्ट आई would say that you all should go through the whole syllabus at least once, okay? ये जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ें होती हैं, कितने पीरियड्स में आपकी ये क्लासेस ख़त्म हो जानी चाहिए, कितने मार्क्स का आएगा पेपर पूरा, ठीक है? एंड देन व्हाट इज़ द ऑब्जेक्टिव, लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव, ट्राई टू रीड आउट दैट ऑल्सो बिफोर यू स्टार्ट द चैप्टर, एनी ऑफ द चैप्टर। हाँ, मैं वैसे क्लासेस में कोशिश करती हूँ जब भी जो पढ़ाती हूँ उसका लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव ज़रूर मेंशन करूँ, बट येस यू ऑल शुड डू दैट। कोई भी चैप्टर स्टार्ट कर रहे हो ना, उसके पहले लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव ज़रूर देखो। देन हियर यू कैन सी द प्रोजेक्ट वर्क विच इज़ ऑफ 5 marks. So that is also important, guys. Content and accuracy carries 2 marks, presentation carries 2 marks, and viva voice जो आपके बेसिकली क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स होते हैं वो भी 1 mark का होता है। These are the prescribed books, okay? सारी एनसीईआरटी होती है मोस्टली। देन मार्क्स का वेटेज होता है। इंटरनल असेसमेंट, पोर्टफोलियो इज समथिंग विच इज़ न्यू विच हैज़ बिन एडेड। तो 5 मार्क्स का पोर्टफोलियो है जिसमें क्लास वर्क असाइनमेंट होगा, कोई भी एग्जाम्पलरी वर्क होगा, या पार्टिसिपेशन ऑफ द स्टूडेंट इन द डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज लाइक हेरिटेज क्विज इंडिया। These are all important things, and this is how you are supposed to download your syllabus. Guys, I hope you have liked this video, and अगर आपको प्लस का सब्सक्रिप्शन लेना है तो डेफिनेटली देर नहीं करनी चाहिए, बिकॉज 1 जून से बहुत सारे नए नए कोर्सेज जो हम लॉन्च कर रहे हैं। एंड इफ़ यू टेक द प्लस सब्सक्रिप्शन यू इंटरेक्ट डायरेक्टली विद द टीचर्स, you get your doubts cleared, and the syllabus of all the subjects get covered, whether it is IT, computer, English, math, science, everything gets covered, okay? And the code is RSYT, through which you can get the 10% discount. Likewise, in Iconic, we have a mentor, and the mentor helps you a lot to basically help you with the studies, okay? Mentor is like what to say, is like an angel for you if if you kind of utilize the subscription really well, because the mentor is going to analyze your strength, weakness, is going to plan your studies, so it can bring a major change in your in your academics. You can score really well if you have the Iconic subscription, guys. So go for it. 1 year subscription is for 25,200, and 2 year, 3 year subscription is also there, for which we have offer available. Like if you'll go for 2 year, 3 year, or 4 year subscription, you're going to get 6 months extra discount. And Creative Corner Young Coder subscription is absolutely free, and this offer is going to end really soon. 6 June को ये खत्म हो जाएगा offer, so grab it before it's gone. And you can even pay in EMI option. So guys, my new batch course is starting from 1st June and 7th June. So make sure that you enroll before this so that you can join me in this course, and use the code RSYD, because it is going to give you a 10% discount, and at the same time going to get the notification. So I'll be happy to help you on Plus as well. Let's crack it, guys. I hope this was useful. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.